Hey everyone, welcome to 2-Minute Tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of this ugly white box so you have a nice beautiful silhouette in your Google Slides or wherever else you would like to use your image. So we're going to head over to Pixlr, which is free on the internet, Pixlr, and you need to go to the editor. Hopefully you have your image downloaded to your computer, so we're going to go ahead and click on that, open image, and I'm going to go find my image. It makes sense to be in pictures. Alright, oh look at that adorable dog. So you can grab the corner here to resize your image, give yourself a little bit of space. The next thing we have to do is we have to unlock this background, otherwise we can't get rid of the white. So over here in your layers palette, you are going to click on the lock. And when you click on the lock, you should get a little check mark. It should go back to layer 0. Now, you can go old school and get that eraser tool and start erasing the white ink. By the way, you can also change your brush size up here. If you click on the little number, it pulls out a brush drawer. So you can change your brush size to something really big, take care of it very quickly. And then you can go back and find a smaller brush to do the detail work. This works on some images better than others. So that's the old school technique, though. I'm going to show you a quick down and dirty way to get rid of everything all at once, and that's by using this magic wand. So I'm going to grab my magic wand and I'm going to come over here and click on the color that I want to get rid of, which would be the white. Then all I have to do is hit delete on my keyboard and I have instant transparency. All I have to do now is go save my image. And I want to make sure that I change this file format, because if you leave it in JPEG, you'll notice it puts all of the white ink back around my dog. I don't want that. What I want is a transparent background. So I'm going to change it to PNG and you'll see this checkerboard. And what this checkerboard means is clear. So I'm going to hit OK and save it. And now I am ready to drop it back into my Google Slides all nice and clean.